Are you looking to sell your home this summer? Hi, this is Dayla with the Ron Sawyer Team at RE/MAX Prime, and while we're still in a strong seller's market, there is a big gap between the houses that are ready for the market and those that aren't. If you want your home to be a winner, you need to make your home as ready and attractive to potential buyers as you can. It's proven that the more showings that you have, the faster the sale and possibly higher the price. That's why today I'm sharing 3 ways you can get your house ready for this summer. Number 1, take care of minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' number 1 concern is higher interest rates and affordability. As a result, they want to put as much money as they can down to get the lowest monthly payment possible. This means that if you take care of repairs up front, buyers will be more interested in your house and even possibly pay a premium. Number 2, do some staging. Think about the ideal model home. It's clean, standardized, and impersonal. Your goal should be to get as close to that image as possible. Your home likely has a lot of personalized touches such as furniture, pictured, and much more. I recommend depersonalizing your home as much as possible so that buyers can see them and their family living in the property. Plus, by packing everything away, you'll make your life 100 times easier when you go to move. Number 3, have a plan for your children and your pets. Your showings probably won't go smoothly if you have children and dogs running around the property. Instead, work with your agent to create a showing schedule with blocks of time when your home is ready for buyers. This way, the buyers don't have to be interrupted. I recommend putting your dogs in kennels for a short period of time just during the showing. While moving your pets might be a little bit of work, it's worth it to keep your house in pristine condition. If you want a detailed showing plan or a list of repairs to make before you get listed, don't hesitate to call or email us. We'd love to help you navigate in this market.